There are some things that everyone notice, but they never say out loud. Instead, they slowly start distancing themselves, and you never really get to know why. In this video, I'm sharing 9 such behavior patterns that might be pushing people away from your life. Number 1, only reaching out when you need something. Have you ever had someone who only texts you when they need something from you, when they need a favor? They never reach out just to check in or to ask about how are you doing, how is your life and all. But their every text, their every call, every time they meet you, it is like, yeah, I need something, I need a help, I need a favor. And after a while, you start feeling used. रिलेशनशिप ना एक इमोशनल बैंक अकाउंट की तरह होती है. अगर आप सिर्फ विड्रॉ कर रहे हो, आप कॉन्स्टेंटली विड्रॉ कर रहे हो विदाउट मेकिंग एनी डिपॉजिट्स, द अकाउंट रन्स एम्प्टी. पीपल डोंट माइंड हेल्पिंग बट फीलिंग यूज्ड. नंबर सेकंड, यू नेवर एडमिट योर मिस्टेक. कोई आपको कुछ पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है, इनफैक्ट छोटी सी बात भी, तो योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इज डिफेंसिव. आप अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करने लगते हो. यू डोंट एडमिट योर मिस्टेक, यू डोंट अपोलोजाइज, बट यू स्टार्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग योर सेल्फ. यू ऑलवेज हैज एन एक्सक्यूज, and eventually people will stop trying to communicate with you honestly. Being able to say, yes, I did this wrong, you are right, it does not make you weak, but it will make people to trust you more. Number 3, keeping scores in relationship. मैंने तो उसके लिए इतना कुछ किया, उसने तो मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया. मैंने उसकी इतनी हेल्प की. आई वॉज ऑलवेज देयर वेन एवर शी नीडेड मी. दिस इज द इनविजिबल स्कोर बोर्ड जो हम अपने माइंड में मेंटेन करके चलते हैं. एंड कोई भी हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप एक स्कोर बोर्ड पे या फिर इक्वल गिव एंड टेक मेंटेलिटी पे नहीं चलती. एंड जिस मोमेंट पे आप काउंट करना स्टार्ट करते हो ना, आई डिड दिस फॉर यू, आई हेल्प यू दैट डे, आप ऑलरेडी इमोशनली एग्जिट कर चुके होते हो. इट स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग ट्रांजेक्शनल. एंड इन जेन्युइन रिलेशनशिप, इन जेन्युइन कनेक्शंस, यू फोकस ऑन गिविंग मोर देन कीपिंग अ स्कोर बोर्ड. Number 4, making jokes at other people's expense. There is a difference between laughing with someone or laughing at someone. अगर आपके जोक्स हमेशा दूसरों को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, उनको एम्बेरेस करते हैं, उनको एक्सपोज करते हैं उनकी इनसिक्योरिटीज को, और यू मेक देम द पंच लाइन, दे मे लाफ एट द मोमेंट, but they don't feel comfortable inside. Their trust on you starts disappearing, and slowly you push them away from your life. Number 5, always correcting people over tiny things. Some people interrupt conversations just to fix minor mistakes like grammar, pronunciation, or small details that has nothing to do with the context or with the main point. Yes, you might technically be right, but constantly correcting people can make them feel judged, and that can push them away from your life. Number 6, not respecting boundaries. One of the fastest way to push someone away is refusing to respect their boundaries. Boundaries simply एक लिमिट होती है जो लोग सेट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर टाइम, देयर इमोशंस, देयर एनर्जी एंड देयर पर्सनल स्पेस. एंड व्हेन यू कीप पुशिंग देम, व्हेन यू कीप crossing that limit, people starts hiding their true self and slowly you lose them. Number 7, being unreliable. You promise something and then you break it again and again. Trust is not usually broken by one huge mistake. It is broken by repeated small disappointments. At first, people will give you benefit of doubt because life happens. लेकिन जब ये एक पैटर्न बन जाता है, आप बार बार एक ही गलती रिपीट करते हो, they stop trusting on you. And once people stop trusting your words, it's very difficult to rebuild that trust again, and they slowly distance themselves. Number 8 that might be pushing people from your life is asking for advice, then ignoring it every time. See, we all ask for advice sometimes, and that's normal. But if your every conversation goes like, you ask for advice, they take their time to listen, they give you a thoughtful advice, and then you ignore it completely just to come back again with the exact same problem. And people start feeling that you are not looking for the solutions, but you're looking for the validation. And eventually they stop investing their time in you because they feel unheard. And number 9, always having to be the smartest person in the room. There is nothing wrong in being intellectual, being intelligent, being smart. But problem is when you feel the need to prove it all the time. And people generally enjoy being around people who make them feel comfortable, not with the people who make them feel less intelligent. And जो सच में confident होते हैं, उनको ये prove करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती कि वो कितने smart हैं. They listen, they stay curious, and they make space for others too to share their ideas. So these are the 9 habits that can really push people away from your life. And the important thing is, none of these habits make you a bad person. We all have blind spots, right? And the first step to change them is to just being aware of them. If this video made you reflect on yourself, do let me know in the comment section and hit the like button. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.